So in this video we're gonna see how we can download and install MongoDB Compass. So the MongoDB Compass is a graphical user interface for the MongoDB. So this is one popular NoSQL database. So the MongoDB Compass provides a visual way to interact and manage the MongoDB database. So here we can perform CRUD operations, mean we can perform create, read, update and delete operations on the data through the graphical interface. Now to download the MongoDB Compass, we have to go to the official site mongodb.com/product/tools/compass, and here we have to click on download now, and then we have to just scroll down, and from here you have to select the version of the MongoDB Compass. So I'm gonna select the stable version, and then we have to select the platform. So I'm gonna select Windows 10 64-bit, and then we have to select the package. So I'm gonna download the executable file, and then we have to just click on download, and our download will start. So once the download is completed, then we have to just install that. So our MongoDB Compass is currently installing. So our installation is completed, and here it says welcome to Compass. So we have to just click on start. So our MongoDB Compass installation is completed. Now from here we can create one new connection. That means we can connect to the MongoDB database. Either we can connect to some local MongoDB database, or we can connect to some remote MongoDB database. So in the upcoming videos we're gonna see how we can connect to the MongoDB database, and also how we can create database, create collection, and also we're gonna see how we can perform CRUD operations using this graphical user interface. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.